Alright, let's break down how this whole thing with MidJourney and reference images works. Incorporating a reference image is a fundamental step in using MidJourney for image generation. While a detailed verbal description is crucial, MidJourney synthesizes about half of this input. The remaining influence comes significantly from the reference image itself, making it responsible for shaping approximately 75% of the outcome. To refine and perfect these results, additional editing tools like Photoshop and After Effects can be employed. When you are uploading reference images to MidJourney, it is advisable to always use PNG files or links from the images. This ensures that the images retain maximum quality, which is crucial for generating the best possible results. It's important to provide detailed and accurate descriptions of your product. For example, if the image generation does not involve a model, the focus should strictly be on the product itself. Make sure that the reference image clearly depicts the product as it is intended to appear. I will clear this out with a demonstration. Here, I have taken a coffee-made can as a reference, which I downloaded from Google. First, I uploaded the can image. I will copy the reference link by opening it in the browser, just as I'm demonstrating now. Then I'll paste it into the text box and also add the prompt that I have already prepared for this can. Don't worry about the prompt I've included just now. We will discuss it thoroughly in the series on prompting. I want you to only understand the effect of reference images and the first sentences in prompting. I focused on the details of the can saying, 12-ounce brown color, plain soft drink can floating, gold color reinforcing band or neck. I started off by talking about the can, because it's the most important part of my image generation. If the generated image is intended to include a model holding the product, the description should begin with the model. For instance, describe everything about the model first. Never omit any detail. Then, transition smoothly to the next set of details, such as the product the model is holding. Understanding the dynamics of how MidJourney interprets your inputs and generates images based on them is crucial. This insight will allow you to tailor your prompts more effectively to achieve desired results. Let me show you the concept of a reference image from a different viewpoint. This example will help illustrate the effective use of reference images. Suppose you have a reference image of a woman holding a dog, and you wish to generate an image where she holds a cat instead. Despite the change in the animal, all other elements like the woman's hoodie, the lighting of the photo shoot, and the camera setup should remain unchanged. Ignore the prompt I included for image generation. The key point is to understand how reference images affect image generation in MidJourney. Focus on that aspect. We will discuss more about prompting in the prompting module. The model may appear slightly different from the original due to the change, but keeping the other elements consistent helps in achieving a result that closely mirrors your vision. In conclusion, this is about reference images. The summary here is the importance of reference images, with MidJourney taking 50% from the reference image and 50% from your prompts to generate images. If you have any doubts, message us through Discord. Additionally, please review this module again to fully understand the concept of reference images.